lang ang ito lang mga, yung major outlets nyo tsaka yung pura kalaw So, there is no reason for us not to be there physically. Kasi di Loros and di Lola, alam mo, secondary lang yung food yung isa. Gusto nila yung sumaya, kumanta, sinasayaw sila. Oh my God! Yes! You should go there. Ako, ano ko yun? Talagang, so yun lang siguro. But, I'm not promising anything. Wala, nagkakaedad na rin, Pero, happy ako, nakikita ko yung, ito yung mga upcoming members natin, Pero talagang nakakalungsot. Konting-konti na ng tao. Nakakalungsot. Halos wala na yung old faces.
Because
aging. Yeah, so, but still, nandun pa rin nakadefine naman yan sa Blue Book Alexa, nothing new. We just follow that. Preparation of the agenda, preparation of the minutes. Napakasimple lang din. Yung major na nagawa Actually, for the year, given na yung projects na gagawin nyo, right? Given na yun So you have all the time to prepare. Update na lang. So, siguro, I suggest, of course, sila din Wala naman choice sila din Siya talaga presidente. Wala kang choice. Nangyari sa akin yan. So, walang choice siya yun.
It's God's wish.
So, kakasap natin, kahit sa nandiyan kayo, you ask the old ako, you ask us. Hindi yung pwede. At saka, ito lang ang kaya nyo. Inform us. Kahit na wala kami dito, kami mo, usual natin, I like that project. Kasi nagsimula na tayo doon, wala ko silang COVID. That was almost 20 years ago. Nangingilan ako na national sa Meta. Kasi nagulog na now, they pass the facility sila, may doktor na sila. Well, of course, it's Maynila. It's not Quezon City. So, yun lang. Siguro, president na din, bigyan lang sila ng dati. Nothing new. Yung preparation of the agenda, preparation of the reformat naman. So, talagang nakakalungkot. Saka yung attendance, nakawawa ka naman. Tinatabi ko yung mga. Okay, but then, congratulations. Nandiyan pa rin kayo. Ready, wala na marami. Ay, di ba? Mga Tebes, si Mercy, nandun ko, nakita ko pa si Kainero sa kanila. Diyan na nga, pag kayo nandito, kailangan ko naka-light blue. Dalawa.
Sa Ticora.
Dalawa sila. Okay.
Sa Ticora. Meron po.
May be on record that the first vice president is now the official president. Because ito tayo, di ba? Sa dito walang definitely pag-uwi niya. Kahit siya pa. By order, as we are doing wala siya.
Ay, nakalimutan ko ilagay.
So, 3 months as OIC, and then after which, then ang maximum.
May nakalimutan ako kung ano.
Allowed. Okay.
Salamat na kayo.
Okay. We had, just to give you an update, we had a meeting last Saturday. Okay, just to give you an update of what happened. There was an emergency meeting last Saturday among the CWL members. Hindi naman po tawag na
Yun, this,
elders as well. Okay, so the agenda, we were able to have the agenda. Okay, number 1 is regarding the weekend market. Ito yung mga prevailing mga with him. Okay? Next, so by June, ito na nga, what we plan to do is meet as well with the vendors, existing vendors, which will happen today. Okay, right after this meeting, we have requested them to be with us today, last Saturday. So I think pumayag si Chico. Ayun. Okay, so pumayag naman sila to meet with us today para malaman lang natin kung saan na sila nagpwesto. Okay? Kasi we're putting order already. Kasi tapos na ang pandemic, so it's put order na. Okay? Then, by July, yun nga yung sabi ko, we will be collating our documents to discuss this with Father Aitoy. And then by August or September, that's the time we plan to meet with him and sit down. Okay? So, yun ang magandang naging agreements namin. Okay? And then, for the weekend market vendors, what we have to do is assess them, assess the physical structure, as I said earlier, and then return the vendors to the pavilion, and also the financial status of the weekend market with regards to the loan or amortization with the parish office. Okay? So, yun lang po. Later, after the meeting, we will have to discuss this with them. Okay? So, any questions, clarifications? Wala po. Okay. Let's move on. Ano na ba ang next? Report. Treasurer's report. Do we have who is the treasurer?